Tokai Optics is a Belgian-Japanese joint venture. For more than 20 years, we produce and distribute our lenses all over Europe, Middle East and Africa. We produce high-end lenses, and for this we need high-end tools. And for this we collaborate with automation and robotics. This new tool from automation and robotics will help us to detect the silent cost, so we can make better lenses faster with less reject.
We have bought 2 automation and robotics machines. These machines harvest a large number of data, and we were already thinking a long time on how to exploit this data. So when A&R came to us asking, do you want to be our test company for this software, we jumped for the occasion. So with this software, we can check the production stability day by day. And to go even further, we can zoom in on specific lens types, specific base curves, and even specific progression lengths. This gives us the opportunity to improve the quality of each lens type individually. At the first step, they helped us identifying lens types which needed the most work. On top of this, we could identify the wear and tear on the diamonds, and we could even identify the life cycle of the polish liquid. This leads us to improving the reject rate already by 50% in the last 2 or 3 months. There is a specific portion of this program which gives us access to certain production stability tools. At this point we are not using them, but as mentioned before, the DOT data could give us information on the lifetime of the diamond, which could give us access to scheduling the maintenance for this specific tool, or even, as mentioned also before, the polish liquid. Next to the product stability program, we have the lens inspection report. This report can give you complete access to all stages of production, all the machines, what is passed through, the dates, the measurements, and the cycle through the production. If a customer complains, we can call up the job number and check how this lens went to production, which line, which machines, which measurement data. Look at the mapping, and we can judge if his complaint is a valid complaint, yes or no. In a case where needed, we can print out the report and send it to the customer. The software helps me fulfilling the Euramet requirements. We keep the data for 2 years, and it gives us the opportunity to prove monitoring and traceability throughout production. So this tool helps me fulfilling all the engineering requirements of the new legislation.
When I spend money, I need to earn money. When I decide to spend money, I looked at what it can bring us, the automation and robotic tools. I think, as I mentioned in the beginning, this detection of the silent cost. We will have less reject rate, we have more liberated time for the engineer, and we will have less returns from the optician. So I think this automation and robotic tools, he will bring us more money actually than we spend money.